Welcome to the world beneath the waves. Here in the vast blue expanse, life thrives in ways that are both mysterious and astonishing. The ocean is home to countless wonders, but some of its most incredible residents are also the smallest and most unassuming. Today we're about to meet a creature that's as fascinating as it is fierce, a true marvel of evolution hiding in plain sight. Meet the pistol shrimp, a tiny crustacean with an explosive secret. Despite its small size, this shrimp packs a punch that rivals some of the ocean's top predators. Its unassuming appearance hides a remarkable ability that has earned it a legendary reputation among marine biologists and underwater explorers alike. Imagine a shrimp snapping its claw so fast it creates a sound louder than a jet engine, and a bubble hotter than the surface of the sun. This isn't just a quirky party trick, this is a powerful weapon, capable of stunning prey and warding off threats in the blink of an eye. The snap is so rapid, it generates a shockwave and a flash of light, a phenomenon known as cavitation. This might sound like science fiction, but it's very real, and it happens every day in oceans all around the world. The pistol shrimp's unique adaptation is a testament to the incredible diversity and ingenuity of life beneath the waves. It's a reminder that even the smallest creatures can wield extraordinary power. The pistol shrimp, also known as the snapping shrimp, uses its specialized claw for more than just hunting. With a single, lightning-fast snap, it can catch prey, defend its territory from intruders, and even communicate with other shrimp. This claw is both a tool and a weapon, making the pistol shrimp one of the ocean's most versatile and resourceful inhabitants. The pistol shrimp's story is just one example of the wild and wonderful adaptations found in the ocean. From camouflage experts to deep-sea giants, the marine world is full of surprises. Each creature, no matter how small, plays a vital role in the complex web of life that makes our oceans so vibrant and dynamic. The real magic isn't in the pinch, but in the snap. When the shrimp closes its claw, it creates a high-speed jet of water, forming a bubble that collapses with incredible force. This chain reaction can knock out prey, deter predators, and even shape the environment around the shrimp's burrow. Get ready to dive deeper into the life of this underwater marvel. We'll uncover how the pistol shrimp uses its powerful weapon, how it interacts with other marine creatures, sometimes even forming unlikely partnerships, and how it survives in the bustling, competitive world of the coral reef. So, let's take the plunge and meet the ocean's quickest draw artist, a tiny creature with a mighty snap, whose story is as explosive as its legendary claw. Despite its reputation for packing a punch, the pistol shrimp is actually quite tiny. Most species only grow to about the length of your index finger, rarely exceeding 2 inches. This small size makes them easy to overlook in the vast underwater world, but don't let their stature fool you. Their compact bodies are perfectly adapted for life in the nooks and crannies of the ocean floor, where being small is a big advantage. It allows them to slip into tight spaces, hide from predators, and ambush unsuspecting prey with ease. The pistol shrimp's most striking feature is its pair of claws. One is much larger than the other, often as big as half its body. This oversized claw, which looks almost comically out of proportion, is the shrimp's secret weapon. It's shaped like a boxing glove and can snap shut with incredible speed, creating a powerful shockwave that stuns prey and wards off threats. The smaller claw is used for more delicate tasks like feeding and grooming. Pistol shrimp come in a dazzling array of colors and patterns, from vibrant blues and reds to subtle browns and greens. Their coloration isn't just for show, it helps them blend seamlessly into their surroundings, whether that's a coral reef, a patch of seagrass, or a sandy burrow. Some species even have spots or stripes that break up their outline, making them nearly invisible to both predators and prey. These remarkable creatures are found in warm, shallow waters all around the world. From the bustling coral reefs of the Indo-Pacific to the seagrass beds of the Caribbean, pistol shrimp have adapted to a wide range of coastal habitats. They prefer areas with plenty of hiding spots, like rocks, coral rubble, or dense vegetation, where they can dig their burrows and stay out of sight. Pistol shrimp are master builders, using their small but powerful bodies to dig intricate burrows in the sand or under rocks. These burrows can be surprisingly complex, with multiple tunnels and chambers for storing food, molting, and escaping danger. The shrimp use their claws to move sand and debris, constantly maintaining and expanding their homes. Their burrows are more than just a place to sleep, they're a vital line of defense. When threatened by predators like fish or octopuses, pistol shrimp can retreat deep into their tunnels, where few enemies dare to follow. The entrance is often carefully camouflaged, and the shrimp will quickly block it with debris if danger approaches. Pistol shrimp are ambush predators, rarely straying far from the safety of their burrow. They wait patiently at the entrance, their powerful claw at the ready. When a small fish or crustacean comes too close, the shrimp snaps its claw, creating a shockwave that can knock out or even kill its prey instantly. This hunting strategy allows them to feed without exposing themselves to danger. The pistol shrimp's choice of habitat is crucial to its survival. Coral reefs and seagrass beds offer not only abundant food but also countless hiding places. These environments are teeming with life, and the shrimp's ability to blend in and quickly retreat to safety gives it a major advantage over both predators and competitors. By constantly digging and moving sediment, pistol shrimp play a vital role in shaping their environment. Their burrowing activity helps aerate the seafloor, which benefits other marine creatures and promotes healthy ecosystems. In fact, their presence can increase the diversity of life in an area by creating new habitats for other small animals. These little engineers are always at work, using their claws not just for hunting, but also for construction and defense. Their ability to manipulate their environment is a testament to their intelligence and adaptability. Whether they're expanding a burrow, fending off an intruder, or catching dinner, pistol shrimp rely on a combination of size, stealth, and strength. From the sun-drenched reefs of Australia to the colorful coral gardens of the Caribbean, pistol shrimp have found ways to thrive in some of the ocean's most dynamic and challenging environments. Their adaptability has allowed them to colonize a wide range of habitats, making them one of the most successful shrimp species on the planet. In the end, it's their small size, clever camouflage, and that remarkable snapping claw that make the pistol shrimp such a fascinating and successful survivor in the underwater world. These tiny creatures prove that sometimes the most powerful animals come in the smallest packages. Let's take a deep dive into the fascinating world of the pistol shrimp and its remarkable snapping claw. This tiny creature, often no longer than a few centimeters, possesses one of the most extraordinary weapons in the animal kingdom. At first glance, the pistol shrimp might look unassuming, but its claw is a marvel of natural engineering, capable of producing forces and effects that seem almost unbelievable for its size. Unlike the claws of most crustaceans, which are designed for pinching or grabbing, the pistol shrimp's claw functions more like a high-powered, trigger-fired water gun. It doesn't use brute force to crush or hold on to prey. Instead, it harnesses the laws of physics to unleash a powerful jet of water, making it a unique and specialized tool for hunting and defense. The claw is made up of two main parts: the stationary propus, which acts as a solid base, and the mobile dactyl, which is like a spring-loaded hammer. This ingenious design allows the shrimp to store and release energy with incredible precision. To prepare for a snap, the shrimp cocks the dactyl back, building up immense tension in the joint. This action is similar to pulling back the hammer on a gun, storing potential energy that will be released in an instant. When the shrimp finally releases the dactyl, it slams shut with astonishing speed, reaching up to 71 miles per hour. This rapid movement is so fast that it actually displaces the water around it, creating a sudden drop in pressure. The real magic happens not from the physical impact of the claw, but from the formation of a cavitation bubble. This bubble forms because the water pressure drops so quickly that it vaporizes, creating a pocket of gas right where the claw snaps shut. This bubble is a low-pressure zone, and it only exists for a split second before collapsing in a violent implosion. The collapse is so intense that it generates extreme temperatures and pressures in a tiny area. The implosion of the bubble creates a powerful shock wave that travels through the water, accompanied by a loud popping sound. This shock wave is strong enough to stun or even kill small prey, making the pistol shrimp a formidable hunter. By weaponizing the speed of its claw and the pressure of the ocean, the shrimp turns simple physics into a deadly weapon. The bubble and its explosive collapse are the shrimp's secret to hunting and defending itself in the wild. This strategy is not only brilliant but also incredibly effective. With a single snap, the pistol shrimp can immobilize prey, deter predators, and even communicate with other shrimp. The pistol shrimp is truly a master of physics, wielding sound, heat, and even flashes of light with every snap. Its claw is a testament to the wonders of evolution, showing how even the smallest creatures can harness the power of nature in extraordinary ways. The cavitation bubble's collapse is epic, releasing energy in several forms. The implosion creates a shockwave that stuns or kills prey. The bubble generates heat, reaching 4,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than lava. This thermal shock cooks anything nearby. The implosion also produces a flash of light known as sonoluminescence. Scientists are still studying this phenomenon. The shrimp's snap unleashes a triple-threat water jet, shockwave, and heat-light flash. All this happens in less than a millisecond. It's a complex, effective hunting tool powered by a simple claw movement. The pistol shrimp is a master of physics, wielding sound, heat, and light with every snap. It's a true superhero of the sea. The pistol shrimp has a fascinating partnership with the goby fish. This symbiotic relationship helps both species survive. The shrimp is a skilled architect but has poor eyesight. The goby fish, with excellent vision, acts as a lookout. The shrimp and goby communicate through touch, with the shrimp's antennae on the goby's tail. If danger approaches, the goby signals the shrimp to retreat. This teamwork allows the shrimp to work safely, while the goby gets a secure home. It's a perfect trade-off. The shrimp provides the home, the goby provides security. This partnership is a powerful survival strategy. Together, they form an effective team, sharing responsibilities on the reef. Some pistol shrimp species, like Synalpheus regalis, live in eusocial colonies. These colonies have a complex social structure similar to ants and bees. A single queen reproduces, while workers and soldiers support the colony. Workers forage, care for young, and defend the sponge home. This collective defense is highly effective. Eusociality in marine crustaceans was a surprise to scientists. It's a remarkable example of convergent evolution. The pistol shrimp colony is a fortress, nursery, and family. The pistol shrimp's snap is astonishingly loud, reaching up to 210 decibels. It's one of the loudest ocean noises, rivaling sperm whales. The sound is a weapon and tool, used for hunting and communication. The shockwave stuns or kills prey, allowing the shrimp to hunt safely. The snap also communicates with other shrimp, creating a crackling background noise. This soundscape is a key feature of coral reefs. The collective noise can be heard above water. It creates an acoustic fog, a defining characteristic of reef ecosystems. The ocean is filled with the fiery crackle of pistol shrimp. It's a noisy symphony of tiny gunslingers. During World War II, pistol shrimp noise played a role in human history. Submarines used hydrophones to detect enemy ships. The shrimp's noise created an acoustic screen, masking submarine engines. Allied forces used this natural camouflage to navigate safely. The shrimp's noise baffled Japanese forces unaware of its source. The pistol shrimp became silent heroes, providing cover for submarines. The pistol shrimp is a fascinating animal, defying expectations. It harnesses physics, creating immense force with its claw. It's a skilled engineer, loyal friend, and member of complex societies. Its snap is a defining feature of its ecosystem and human history. The shrimp connects microscopic physics to global conflict. It's a reminder of the ocean's mysteries and nature's creativity. The pistol shrimp is a true superhero of the sea. It's an amazing creature, full of power, adaptation, and survival.